guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is Saturday today and me and Scott are going to my aunt's pool, but I wanted to show you what I picked up at Bath & Body Works first. So they're having their semi-annual sale and I didn't get too much, but I got a few products. So the first one I got is the mango body butter. This stuff smells really good. It's kind of like a jelly consistency, but it smells like a fruit smoothie. I'll show you what it looks like. But if you could smell this, it just smells so juicy. So this is the first thing that I got. I think this was half off, so I got it for like $7. Still kind of expensive, but it smells really good. Then I got Scott the Whitewater Rush. This is a shower gel. It's a men's like 3-in-1 body wash, and it's also like a shampoo. So I got that one. I also got the Suede. This one smells really good. I like this one a lot. So those were, I think, $3. And then what else did I get? Oh, I got this from my boss at work. So it's just a little lotion. It says happy vibes because we all need happy vibes at work. And then I got 2 candles because I cannot pass up candles, and they were $10. So this first one is Cactus Blossom. This smells really good and I love the packaging of this. So I got that one. And then the other one I got, love this one too. This one's coconut water. This one smells really, really good. Very fresh. Let's see what the description says on this one. Coconut milk, creamy vanilla, and pineapple. Love this one. And these were $10. So that's all I got at Bath & Body Works. I did not go crazy, but I only spent like $36, something like that. So yeah, that's what I got. And now we're gonna go off to the pool. We're at the pool. How's it feel, babe?
It feels pretty good.
Feels good. It's not as warm as it's been, but the pool feels good. Whee! And Teddy's over there. We've got the chairs set up. We've got some Triscuits. We have sunscreen, of course. And we might be going in the pool in a little bit, but right now we're just trying to get a little sun. Make the butt look juicy, you know? These are the 2 sunscreens that I like to use. I use the Drunk Elephant, it's SPF 30, and then I use the Kula Classic Sunscreen. It's a white tea moisturizer and plant protection, SPF 50. So these are the 2 that we used today. I think my shoulder's still burned, but it's okay. I really like these 2. Yay! Hi guys, today is Saturday and me and Scott laid out at the pool all day. We got some color. Scott's more tan than me, which is kind of crazy. So I had to, we're like different tones. He's like pink and I'm yellow. But we laid out at the, I keep on wanting to say beach, at the pool all day. And now we're actually gonna go to the bar. We're gonna go with my Papa Smurf, and we're actually celebrating a little bit because
big news.
I got promoted at work at Sephora.
That's not what anyone was expecting.
Probably not, no. I got promoted, so I'm now the senior educator manager, or senior education manager at Sephora. Ow, I feel like I'm pulling a muscle. So I got promoted, and I've only been there for 4 years, so it was long overdue. But I'm really excited about it. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the bar. I actually am so sick of having pineapple and Malibu, so I tweeted to you guys on Twitter asking what kinds of drinks I should ask for, because I really don't know. This is my romper. I got it from JCPenney for only $10. I think it's so cute. So this is my outfit of the night, my watch, and then some wedges. So cute. Hi guys, today is Sunday. We had quite the night last night. I didn't end up vlogging, but me, Scott, and my dad just went out on the canoe, which that was a journey in itself. And now they're gonna put it back. I didn't vlog because I didn't want my camera to fall in.
Yeah, I guess we should get the water. I think I'm gonna go back to the motor.
Yeah, why? Canoeing not for you?
Well, I wanted to look for it for a while.
You got some. Hi you guys, today is Monday and I wanted to show you a couple of packages that I got in the mail over the last couple of days. First of all, I got these two concealers. A friend of mine, Andrea, sent these to me. So this is the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer from Too Faced. This is almost the size of a foundation, which is so crazy. But she sent me the shades Light Beige and Natural Beige. Natural Beige is more of like my skin tone, so I feel like if I had like a pimple coming up, I could conceal it with that. Oh crap. And then Light Beige actually works underneath my eyes. So thank you to Andrea for sending these over to me. And then I got a package from Face Tory. Face Tory, if you love face masks, you will love this subscription. So this is a subscription for a bunch of different face masks. So just keep glowing. It has like a card with all of the face mask information on there, which that's helpful. And then a couple other things. And then I have a coupon code. I think I do. Let's see. Oh, I don't know if I have a coupon code. I thought I did. Oh, right here. Sadiekins 20 will give you 20% off. Cute packaging. And look at how adorable this one is. It looks like an Instagram one. And it says step 1 and step 2. A lot of this is in a different language, so I'm going to have to look into how to use this. But isn't that so cute? We also have this one, which is so cute, Soothing Jelly Pack. And then I'll show you the other ones. This one looks like some injections in a face mask. Well, alrighty. Bubble mask. Oops. Oh, that doesn't seem good. London Shopper Dr. Lola Cloud Key. Wrinkle Iron. You see that? We'll be using that. Whoa. Just a little bit. Wow. Smooth, soft. I feel like that is kind of not good. Then we have the cream mask as well. Gold Saracen. You know, I'm going to have to look into these face masks a little bit more, but some of them have the cutest packaging. Like those first two that I showed you have really cute packaging. Some of them look like they're a little dangerous or offensive, but very, very cute. So thank you to Face Tory for sending those over to me. I also got a package in the mail from The Balm, and this is probably the cutest package I've ever gotten. So it says The Balm Jour Special Edition Creamy Lip Stains. A sunny forecast with a mix of stain and shine. And then you open it up, and look, it's me. Passport to Perfection. I thought this was so cute. Address 1 Social Media Drive, Bombville, USA. How cute is that? I just love it. I love when companies like do things like this. They really customize it. So very cute. And then this is some information on the creamy lip stains. And then these are all of the colors right here. Love the packaging of this. And then they do have a little, it's actually hidden, but underneath here, these are all products to put in a giveaway. So the same thing, except giveaway ones. So I have to film a giveaway this week for you guys, but be on the lookout because there's gonna be 5 winners. Can you even stand it? 5 winners. And then the last package I got, this is from Dermalogica, and this is for like breakouts if you have any pop-up pimples. So 2 new products they came out with. This one's called Clear Start. It is the Blackhead Clearing Fizz Mask, 1.7 fluid ounces. It says banish blackheads. So that sounds great. And then this other one is Clear Start. It's a breakout clearing booster. I really like the packaging on these. Very fun and bright. So yeah, 2 new products from Dermalogica. I'm going to be trying that out because I've been having some breakouts on my forehead. So that's everything that I got in the mail over the last couple of days. I'm going to head off to Target. I'm going to charge my camera a little bit and then go to Target because I need to get some cleaning supplies because we ran out. Hi guys, I am outside of Target. I'm about to go in. I just need to get a couple of cleaning supplies. So I need to get some Clorox wipes. I need to get paper towels. And I don't really know what else I really need, but I'm not getting anything I want. It's just things that I need for the house. I need to start cleaning a little bit better because I haven't cleaned in a while, to be honest. Like deep cleaned, you know? Also, I want to look at keyboards because Scott spilled wine on his keyboard and now his keyboard is ruined for his computer. So I want to look at that. And then today I freaking dropped the cord of my straightener, like the plug-in part. I dropped it in the toilet. So I don't know if even if it dries and I plug that in, I don't know if I'm going to get electrocuted. You know, there's things that people just don't tell us. Or maybe it's something that I should know and I'm probably going to die. But I don't know if I should be getting a new straightener. Maybe I'll wait. But yeah, I dropped it. Like we're clumsy people here. So I'm gonna go into Target. It is a beautiful day. For some reason, everybody is shopping at Target. When it's the most beautiful days and I'm working, I'm like, why are people in the mall? Why are people in the mall on the most beautiful day? But here I am, being a hypocrite and going into Target. So that's the plan. I'm also gonna pick up my Boxycharm because I haven't picked up my Boxycharm yet and it's waiting for me to go pick it up. And I'm not gonna film a separate video. I'm just gonna show you my Boxycharm in this vlog just because so many people already have up their videos. So it would be a little pointless. So I'm just gonna show you what I get. But I'm gonna go into Target now. I am boiling in my car. Like I am roasting alive. So that was a successful Target trip. I only spent $38. I'm going to show you guys what I got when I get home, but it was mainly things that I needed and didn't really want. I mean, I did get a couple of bowls, but I'll show you guys once I get home and after I get my Boxycharm. He wanted a little camera time for himself because as soon as I started vlogging, he was just squeaking his ice cream cone. So go on. This is your time to shine. There it is. Oh my goodness. That's a cute puppy with an ice cream cone, isn't it? Very, very cute. Little hairy, but very cute. So I am back home now and I had to stop at Starbucks and get a strawberry acai refresher. Now I really wanted the mango dragon fruit, but it was sold out. So I just got this and it's very refreshing on this very hot day. And let me show you what I got at Target. So I got these paper towels, very exciting, I know. So it just comes with 2 paper towels, Target brand. Do you hear this? Landscaping outside. This is exactly why it's so hard for me to film, because it's like they're outside every day mowing the lawn and like cutting down trees or something. Next, I got the Clorox Scentiva disinfecting wipes. It comes with 70 and this is Pacific Breeze and Coconut. These smell really, really good. Do you hear how loud that is? I'm telling you, this is my life. They're probably outside the window. They're not. So I got those. Then I got tissues. I got bowls for me and Scott, so I got the pink ones for me and the navy blue ones for him. We just needed more bowls, to be honest, and these were only 79 cents, so I got those. Scott needed a new keyboard, so I got him a keyboard. It was only $10, so not bad. I'm pretty sure it's the same one that he has. And then I got this because we only had one phone charger. Our other one actually ended up breaking, like snapping in half. So I got another one of these. This was $10 as well. And then the last thing I got was this chocolate peanut butter pie Oreos. This sounded really good. They had pina colada ones, and that sounded disgusting. They also had coconut ones that I was so tempted to get, but I decided to get these because me and Scott both love chocolate peanut butter pie. So I got those. And now let me open my Boxycharm and show you guys what I got in here. This is for the month of July. I will link Boxycharm down below. It's $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size items in here. This is the little card that you get every month, and it says what's in your box and how much it is. This month's theme is road trippin'. I already saw a couple sneak peeks, and I wasn't overly impressed, to be honest. But I am excited about this. This is from Dr. Brandt. It's the Needles No More Baggage. It's an eye depuffing gel. I'll be using this for sure. I love things that you can like roll underneath your eyes. So I got that in there. This is from Note. It's a luminous silk compact blusher with argan oil. That sounds wild. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. I don't know. It almost looks like Becca packaging. Oh, but not on the inside. Let me see. Ooh, okay, so this actually looks like a really pretty blush. This looks like the perfect kind of color blush that I like more peachy natural. So I'll try that. Next we have a Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Why is this a cream? Interesting, I'll try that. What is this? Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This is from Wander Beauty. For some reason, Wander Beauty's packaging I'm just not a fan of. I don't like the gold with the maroon. Ugh, I don't know. I'll try it out, because, I mean, it's not all about packaging, but I don't like the packaging. Hi, baby. What does it smell like? Oh, you're smelling my hands? Okay. And then we have one more thing in here. We have a palette. Boxycharm usually puts palettes in the boxes, so let me open this up. All right, so the last thing is from Crown Pro, and it's an eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. It looks really pretty, all warm tones in here. And a couple of mattes, a couple of shimmers. The pan size is actually pretty big. I'm going to do a couple of swatches because every time I get an eyeshadow palette in Boxycharm, it's very good quality. Ooh, that looks nice. Let me do this one. I love the shimmers. Ooh, let me put this on my hand and show you guys better. Okay, I'm already really impressed with these shadows. I only swatched the shimmers on my hand, but they're very creamy and very beautiful. So those are the shades that are like the shimmers. I didn't swatch the mattes, but hopefully they perform just as well. But those are really, really nice. I like them a lot. And those are the shades in the palette. So a really pretty warm tone palette in here. Let you guys know that that palette goes for $30. So I think that's a great deal to come in this box. Oh, you can see the shadows a little bit better right now. But they're so pretty, and for $30, you're already getting your money's worth with the box. I'll link Boxycharm down below for you guys if you do want to sign up. It isn't my favorite box for this month, but it is still really good, and I'm definitely going to be using this eyeshadow palette. Okay, I think I'm going to end my vlog now so I can put everything away and do some cleaning, because that is what my plan was to do today. It's my last day off, and I have to work the next 8 days in a row, and then I have to go get another endoscopy. So it's going to be quite the journey. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys all next Monday. Bye!